Hello everyone. In this video, we'll try to solve some differential equation examples. In our first problem, we are asked to find the general solution. As you can see in our equation, it is non-separable, not exact, and we cannot transform it into a required form of linear differential equation. So we can say this may be a homogeneous differential equation. In homogeneous differential equation, instead of a function of x and y, we change it into a function of some variables. So we rewrite the equation x plus y cotangent x over y dy equals y dx. And we divide both sides by y dy. And the resulting equation would be x over y plus cotangent x over y equals dx dy. This time, we change the variable. Instead of x over y, we let it as u. So let u equals x over y, and we also multiply this by y, and we get x equals uy. And get the derivative with respect to y in both sides. So dx over dy equals u plus y du over dy. I got the right hand side by implicit differentiation's chain rule. And substitute the values into our equation. So u plus cotangent u equals u plus y du over dy. And subtract both sides by u. So we get cotangent u equals y du over dy. And we now have a separable differential equation. So I wanna put the dy on the left side and also put all the y's in u on the same side. And we get dy equals du over tangent u. And integrate both sides. So on the left hand side, we get ln y, and on the right hand side, 1 over cotangent u is equal to tangent u. So we got integral of tangent u du. And this will result to ln y equals ln of secant u plus c. This is also equal to e to the power of ln y equals e to the power of ln secant u multiplied by e to the c. Since c is an arbitrary constant, we can make e to the c as a whole, which is equal to some arbitrary constant. By multiplying both sides by secant u, we get c is equal to y over secant u. By trigonometric identities, 1 over secant u is equal to cosine u. So we have c is equal to y cosine u. Since u have a value of x over y, we change cosine u into cosine x over y. And we now have our general solution.